When it comes to the budget and mid-range phones from Samsung, there are two main lineups, the Galaxy M and the Galaxy A. Normally, the Galaxy A series phones are more expensive than the Galaxy M series phones. Right now, the Galaxy M53 is the most feature-packed phone under the M series and it launched back in April this year. It features the Dimensity 900 SoC, a 120Hz AMOLED display and a 108 megapixel camera sensor. Now we got to know that the Samsung Galaxy M54 is coming soon and it is expected to launch by the end of this year or in early 2023. Some major specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M54 were shared by a source and they are quite interesting. We cannot say whether these specifications are 100% accurate, but this particular source has quite a good record when it comes to smartphone leaks. The most interesting thing that we got to know about the Samsung Galaxy M54 is the SoC that is going to power it. So far, we have seen the Samsung Galaxy M series phones with mid-range SoCs by Qualcomm or MediaTek. But as per this new leak, the Galaxy M54 is coming with the flagship Snapdragon 888 SoC. This is the same SoC that powered the Galaxy S21 series of last year. The Galaxy M54 will feature at least 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. Now while the performance gets a massive upgrade from the Galaxy M53, that is not the case for all the specifications. For example, the Galaxy M53 had a 120Hz AMOLED display, whereas as per this leak, the Galaxy M54 has a 90Hz AMOLED display. Also, while the Galaxy M53 has a 108 megapixel sensor, the Galaxy M54 is coming with a 64 megapixel sensor. So Samsung has done some cost cutting. Apart from the performance, the battery size is also upgraded. The Samsung Galaxy M54 has a massive 6000 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 5000 mAh battery of Galaxy M53. The maximum charging speed, however, remains the same, that is 25 watt. There is a triple camera setup on the back as compared to a quad camera setup on the Galaxy M53, but apart from the primary sensor, the camera hardware is better on the M54. For example, the Galaxy M54 has a 12 megapixel sensor for the ultra-wide lens, whereas the Galaxy M53 has an 8 megapixel sensor for the same. Also, the Galaxy M54 has a 5 megapixel sensor for the macro camera, whereas the Galaxy M53 has a 2 megapixel sensor for the same. Well, we don't know at what price the phone is going to launch, but the expected price as per the source is around 10 million VND, which converts to around $400 or 33,000 Indian rupees. At that price, do you think the Galaxy M54 with Snapdragon 888 will be a value for money phone? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.